Take up is a very common English phrasal verb with two main meanings. It can mean to start a new hobby or activity. It also means to occupy space or time. Today we learn both meanings with clear examples. Meaning 1 of take up. When you take up something, you start doing a new hobby or activity. This is for your free time or personal interest. It shows you begin something new like a sport or skill. Meaning 2 of take up. When something takes up space or time, it uses a lot of room or hours. A big object takes up space in a room. A long meeting takes up your whole morning. Here are examples for meaning 1. She took up painting means she started painting as a new hobby. I took up running means I began running for exercise. Both show starting something new. Examples for meaning 2. Meeting took up morning means the meeting used all the morning time. Sofa takes up space means the sofa uses a lot of room. Both show occupation of time or space. Take up also has other common uses. Take up an offer means to accept someone's offer. Take up a challenge means to accept a difficult task. These show agreement or acceptance. Synonyms help you remember take up. For starting hobbies, use start, begin, adopt, or pursue. These words mean the same as take up when you begin something new. Now practice take up. Fill in the blank. She wants to blank yoga. The answer is take up. She wants to take up yoga means she wants to start yoga as a new hobby.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.